Welcome back to CryptoLearn&Grow, the channel that helps you master crypto trading one step at a time. Don't forget to hit subscribe because we're turning beginners into confident crypto traders every single week. Can you really turn just $10 into $100 by trading crypto? It sounds like clickbait, right? But what if I told you it's possible if you understand how to play the game? In this video, we break down the math, mindset, and method to grow small crypto accounts. No hype, just real talk. Let's start with the obvious. $10 won't make you rich, but it can teach you the discipline that builds wealth later. Here's the real power of starting small. You remove the fear of losing big. You focus more on learning than earning. And you can start trading today, not someday. With $10, you learn to manage risk, control emotions, and track trades, all without blowing your account. Most beginners quit because they start with too much money. But smart traders, they start small and scale up. Let's talk numbers. To grow $10 into $100, you need a 900% return. That sounds insane, but when you break it down into small, consistent wins, it becomes more realistic. For example, if you gain just 10% per trade, you only need about 25 good trades. If you gain 5% per trade, you'll need around 45 to 50 trades. This is where compounding becomes your best friend. You reinvest small profits, and over time, they stack up. The key, don't try to flip it all at once. Focus on one solid trade at a time. So how do you actually trade with just $10? Here's a simple 4-step strategy. 1. Trade on spot market. Avoid leverage at first. Trade low-cap altcoins or trending tokens with high volume. 2. Choose a simple setup. Use 15-minute or 1-hour charts. Look for basic setups like support, resistance, or breakouts. 3. Protect your capital. Set clear stop losses. At this level, risk just 50 cents to gain $1. 4. Track every trade. Use a free trading journal or Excel sheet. Document what works and what doesn't. Remember, you're not trading to make $1 million yet. You're trading to become consistent. So is turning $10 into $100 realistic? Yes, but only if you respect the process. It won't happen overnight, and you might lose some trades. But if you learn from every mistake, protect your capital, and stay patient, you can absolutely grow small accounts over time. Don't trade to impress, trade to improve. Let your first $10 be your crypto classroom, not your final destination. If this video helped you think differently about crypto trading, hit that like button and subscribe for more real strategies that work. And check out our video playlist for beginners, where we help you trade smart, even with tiny capital. Thanks for watching CryptoLearn&Grow, where your journey starts, no matter how small.